most beneficial things about it is that you get the results that you would being in the gym, maybe doing 100 lunges across the floor, but you don't have to spend nearly as much time there, and you get time just to really relax and enjoy the peace and quiet that we don't have usually in the day. I did have to buy new clothes when I first went in preparing for Miss America, and what was surprising to me was when I went in the month of December for VIP, I really had already been working out, and I was already on a healthy diet, and I'd really given a lot of effort to that, and I thought I was where I wanted to be. Surprisingly, after adding VIP and after adding my sessions at Changes to that workout routine, I ended up losing another 8 pounds. And another, 4 inches on my waist, and another 4 inches on my hips, that I didn't realize I could lose with adding Transien and IsaJ into my workout schedule. And so I did have to buy new things that would have fit when I was just working out and maintaining a healthy diet, didn't fit anymore after I had Transien on my waist, hips, and thighs. And it really changed my body shape. I think, as women, we often have problems with that waist, hip, and thigh area, and I was able to be very sleek and very trim, but very toned. It wasn't that I was just thin. It wasn't that I was just losing fat. I was toning the muscles at the same time, and that's what I think made me lose all those inches. For me, I think the combination of having good cardio, having a good diet, and using VIP are what really helped me to be at my best. It's definitely not something that can take care of your diet and can take care of that cardio work of keeping your heart healthy. And, those things are still vitally important and were still very important to me. But I knew that if I did not have the time at the gym to do all those crunches, to do all of those lunges, to do all of those things to tone those little areas that we have to spend so much time on, I knew that Changes could take care of that part for me. Oh my gosh, it's my best friend. I love Transien. I think that Transien is a wonderful thing because, it reaches areas of your body that you can't with just cardio work. It's so individualized, and you can pinpoint certain areas. I think when you're on the treadmill or you're doing the elliptical, you're keeping your heart healthy and strong, but you may get off and say, okay, why hasn't this gone away, or why hasn't this gone away? And Transien is able to target those areas, and I love it. I wish I could do Transien every single day. I love it. I think that it's something that really made a difference in my body. I knew that the IsaJ and the other things that we used, the chromo and the light therapy, those things made a difference, but the Transien is where I lost my inches. After Transien sessions, that's when we'd measure and say, we're going down 3 and 4 inches before I went to the Miss America program. Even this year, after Miss America, after being, on the road every day of the year, when I come back now, I see a difference when I do the Transien, because I see, those little inches that we can't get off starting to diminish and shrink away. I used IsaJ on a lot of different areas on my body. Where I found it most incredible personally for me was my abs. I think sometimes it's hard for women to develop abdominal muscles that you can see in that swimsuit, abdominal muscles that you can see where it looks like you've done 1,000 crunches every single day. And I developed what really seemed to be a six-pack for me, which I had never had before in 5-6 years of training through IsaJ, because I was able to really individually work each muscle. And that is incredibly difficult to do, not only for women but for men also, is to really locate and target those core areas that you need to develop good tone. And I remember being on the Miss America stage and my family even saying, wow, her stomach's never looked like that. It's never been that tone. And the other thing that I loved about it, it wasn't overdone. I didn't look like a bodybuilder. I didn't look like, I had been sweating in the gym every single day just working my ab muscles. I had a nice definition, but that was still very feminine. And that was what was really neat about it, is that with IsaJ we were able to take pictures and really look at the befores and the afters. And once I reached where it, looked best for me, we stopped. We didn't have to keep going so that I looked like, all the bodybuilders, but that I looked great for me personally. And the definition was incredible. I also used it on my hamstrings and my glutes to really help lift that area that I think we as women have a huge problem with. I think that back side of our thighs that we want to be nice nice and lifted and smooth. And Isa-J was a huge help with that. Really gave me a nice shape so that when I turned around on national television, everything was in its place and looking great. At the Miss America pageant, had to wear a string bikini. And that meant, you know, we didn't have any underwire support in there. And I used Isa-J just to help lift my pectoral muscles up, which also helped lift my breasts, which helped them to look much better walking across the stage. You know, things that many women, you know, after having kids want to go in and have a breast lift. I had those results without any invasive surgery.